guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Couple Uncouple. In this episode, the other half is missing just for the first bit because it's his 25th birthday and I think I am more excited than he is. I think it's with all girls. So I've planned a lot of things for him because he's turning 25. Otherwise, I think we both are very chill about our birthday. But he was behaving like a 5-year-old kid and he was like, no, I don't want to do anything on my birthday. I just want to sleep at home, this, that. But of course, I am going to plan something. So there are a lot of things planned. You're of course going to see it throughout the vlog. I'm someone who loves doing DIY things for people. I don't like, of course I like buying things as well. But I am someone who will put in efforts and make something because I like doing these crafty things. So last night I've sat and made this one little cute thing for him. So I got this box which is in the shape of a lip. I got it in a PR. I used that, stuck a few things down there which says happy birthday 25 etc. and all like 25 pictures because he's turning 25, so all our memories. So his birthday is on 16th. On the 15th, I'm taking him for a tufting workshop, which is basically you make your own rug. I've done that so that at home people can excuse me. So at home people can set up everything. I've got someone to do like an entire decor. I've got a customized cake. I've got him an outfit which I'm not sure. I wanted to get another outfit but I was not able to. It was out of stock. So this is the best. I knew I had to do black because he loves black. Yeah, so I've planned like small games and everything. I made a customized cup. I have literally sat last night and I've done this for hours, and since morning also I'm doing all this. I've made these chits for like a Bollywood themed game we're doing, and I've thought of these songs on like it's very different cool things that you're gonna see throughout the vlog. I'm excited because I hope he's surprised. I am at Jigar's house and I'm gonna do some time pass right now. I've just got this cute little card and I'm gonna tell him that I've made something very big for him. Happy birthday. This is your gift. This is what I was making. It's your birthday, not mine. Open. We thought it's a very big gift now. 25 gifts in one. Thanks, brother.
Spectacular, friend.
Say thanks. Thanks. Say thanks. What? Ready? What? But you've not even seen anything in the room.
Room ka nahi, my outfit I'm saying.
But why am I recording? For what?
Oh. Efforts.
It's made from scratch.
I can see that.
We've come to Clumsy Studio where you can make your own rug. It's called rug only, right? Yes. Rug. And that's the design we've chosen. And now Jigar has to decide which color for his birthday.
Come.
एकदम धड़ाधड़ नहीं चलाना।
अच्छा।
एकदम
Slow. आस्ता सुन ले, धड़ाधड़ ऐसे मत चला देना. That. No, not at one place.
चलाते हुए नहीं रोकना है।
You're just doing it at one place. Guys, look at this. The way she has done it. मेरा पूरा रग खराब होने वाला है वहाँ पे. Works.
We've changed our colors.
You changed her color, guys.
Because Jigar couldn't do it.
She is also tired of you now. कैसा खराब करता. बराबर है ना?
एकदम hard put it on. Press it. Don't stop.
इस पीछे से ऐसा दिखता है, आगे से बहुत घटिया है, पीछे से टू गुड वर्क ऑफ
One eternity later.
It looks so pretty. How does it feel?
I loved it. Something new, something different. and every year यही है, पार्टी वार्टी करते हैं क्या? बच्चे हो गए, अभी बड़े हो गए या 25.
How cute. Then who's keeping it?
Me.
But you told me that I'll keep it.
It's my. ठीक है, तू you take it, ठीक. No, ठीक है, fine.
Okay.
Thank you so much for this. I'm keeping it now. I'll see you guys.
Happy birthday. Jigar likes a side face and people don't take a photo like this. He takes like...
Later, what were you doing? Hey, what the hell, Asta? Guys, now we have come to Dubai.
You
Okay,
burp
good.
right now. It's smelling of papad.
तेरे घर पे ही खाया है पापड़. Guys,
Papad. Laugh now. He's so boring. He's crying like that child. No, I don't want to do anything. Let's go home. I don't want to do anything. I just want to go home and sleep. This, that. So boring, dude. Like, at least be a little excited.
Guys, I'm pretty excited to just go home. Now, I'm not saying that I'm old. I'm young, but you know the vibes that I get from this oldie is what I'm taking it
I
in.
am getting the young vibes. So I want to like chill.
No, but now we have come for go-karting. And this was my plan. I love go-karting. So we were like,
And
ठीक
only
है.
we both are going to do
Yeah,
go-karting.
only we both. ये खुद का चलाएगी 10 के स्पीड पे and then I'll do
Excuse me,
it.
10 नहीं.
10 नहीं तो कितना?
100 की speed
हाँ,
पे.
100 के स्पीड पे चुप रह. So
What are you
then
talking
that
about?
is what the plan is. Now let's just go there because I think waiting रहेगा. If there's waiting then I won't do it. If there's no waiting then let's
Then
do
what
it.
will you do?
Then we'll just go eat somewhere then go home and
Where
sleep.
we'll eat Achija Pav Bhaji.
I don't mind. Not Achija. It's my birthday so we have to go
Today,
to
I thought at
some...
least eat something nice.
Okay, let's have like edamame dumplings and like avocado
Do
sushi.
you want to go to Chin Chin Chu?
Chup kar chu. थोड़ी guys नींद भी आ रही है because this stuffing thing
No,
was
because
very...
Jigar had chas at 1 p.m.
Yeah.
So he was very...
After having छाछ मतलब कैसे उसके
He
बाद ये
became-
टफ्टिंग पूरा वहाँ पे करने चले गए थे हम लोग. But it was fun activity. I loved it. Worth the money, I would say. And it's here. हम लोग ने ऐसे सूखने के लिए रखा है.
ऐसे बराबर से कर यार जिगर.
Sorry. Take 2. Ta-da!
So cute. पीछे सब ग्लू है वो स्मेल भी आ रहा है ग्लू का.
तो रखा.
इसके लिए लेवल 1 मेरे लिए लेवल 2.
दोनों के लिए level 1.
उसको ये भी नहीं पता था कि गैर नहीं है गो कार्टिंग में. Signing the death form. In case Jigar. Your handwriting is so pathetic.
ये मैं sign कर रहा हूँ.
Why are you hiding, bro?
My location, bro. My fans will come. 1640. Pay.
Hey, big mangya.
Huh?
Are you excited to lose, brother?
Let's see. Guys, Asta is getting full ready now. As if पता नहीं कौन सा F1 चलाने वाली है. Let's go, चलो.
Breathe, bro. Smelling. Jigar, put down. Yaar, yaar. Firstly, your go-kart stopped working.
Undefeated champion.
Loser, couldn't even drive a proper go-kart. Jigar has lost, so he's giving me like another free ride where I just have to sit on the side and Jigar is going to drive the car.
The thing is, since we are doing for the second time, as usual मैं हमेशा डिस्काउंट मांगता हूँ. So I told him काका बघा ना तो सेकंड टाइम करते तो काही तर मला करा. यहाँ पे तो अपना चलता ही है, you know ना, मुंबई मेरी जान, जय महाराष्ट्र.
ए जरा शेमड़ा भाई.
शेमड़ी. Guys, मुझे अभी भी ऐसा फील नहीं आ रहा है बर्थडे का.
Meanwhile,
क्या करूँ भाई जी, आरती उतारूँ आपका.
नहीं but honestly मेरे को ऐसा फील नहीं आ रहा है, क्या करना
So
चाहिए?
what, you're a 5-year-old kid, you want elephants and all Donald Duck and Mickey Mouse run in front of you or what?
Video shout at me.
Birthday boy. So we're just done with double go-karting and it was too much of fun. Jigar actually drove very well. So what rush did you get?
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline? 999?
बन रहा है.
Both captains are busy.
Since it's Jigar's birthday.
Please move
Movie.
Guess the movie.
No, one kids. The minute you say it, that person has to down the drink. You have to put your hand first.
Down the drink. Down the drink.
Yeah, if you put your hand before I get the picture out, you're disqualified. Disqualified! 3, 2, 1, go!
Trippy vlog.
Next one! 3, 2, 1.
She said rolling.
One raise their hands. Whoever raises it, they don't know they're out.
Okay, bye.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes. जाने दो जाने.
3, 2, 1, go! Say!
Sorry.
Three, two, one.
कोई नहीं बोलेगा एकदम चुप रहे मेरे को भी नहीं पता
And guys, we come to the end of the game.
उसका ध्यान जिगर पे ही है.
6 all. Okay, guys, everyone, listen to me. Again, I am the game master. When I decide, that person will. I'm gonna play a song.
और उसमें एक वर्ड आएगा
Yeah, word में chorus नहीं आएगा वो word. Chorus में any word, and you have to pick that thing. Whoever picks it first wins. Here we go, sir. Here we go.
जोई ने वहाँ से देख लिया तेरा प्लेलिस्ट है उसे
नहीं
अरे जो
पार्टिसिपेट भी नहीं किया. That was cheating.
I'm not saying
सारी उम्र में जो कर जबड़ रहा
ये इश्क है चंदन दिखाए बैठे बिठाए हाँ कुछ भी नहीं है भाई तू.
शौर्य
Now clean everything.
Okay guys, so that's how we end my birthday, my 25th birthday.
Guys, if you like the vlog, please like, share and subscribe. Couple, uncouple.